Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nur Aisyah binti Muhammad Hidayat from RAS 2562B. Today in this video, me and my teammates will present about cloud case. So let's set the ball rolling. To answer the first question, how does memory differ from storage? Memory is a location in computer that allow for short-term data, while storage is allows to store and access the data for a long term. Memory have the limitation and smaller spaces to store the data, and the data in memory will clear when computer is turned off, while storage have a large space for storing data, and data in storage will remain intact and unchanged no matter how many times computer is turned off. Then, what is storage media and storage device? Storage media is a physical device that receives and retains the electronic data for application and users. Storage media is the fixed part of a storage device, and it is removable from the storage device. So, storage device is a device that saves data onto a storage media and reads data from it. There are two types of storage device, which is primary storage device that holds program instruction, input data, and give intermediate result, such as a RAM and a ROM, and secondary storage device, which is that holds data permanently in a long term, for example, DVD, CD, SSD, and also hard disk. Next, cloud storage is a service of storing a large amount of unstructured object data such as text and binary data. It is secure, reliable, and it protects from data loss through enhancing a data usage policy, and it controls over sensitive data. Next, cloud storage is very useful in marine science job environment because, for example, in a tourism company in Langkawi, they will save their database of their customer in this cloud storage, and it helps the workers to find the data of their customers easily because the data in cloud storage is very manageable. Now, let's move on to the second question. Are internet and web is the same? Internet is a global network of networks, while web, which is referred formally as World Wide Web, which is www, is a collection of information that is accessed via the internet. So, internet and web is very helpful in this marine science job environment because, as we can see nowadays, a tourism company will use social media to promote their place, and this is because web and internet and also social media is a huge platform and a fastest platform for us as business company to reach out our audience and our customer. For example, customer will go visit to our page and our social media in order to survey what package that we offered for them, and to booking their ticket online, and to booking their hospitality online, and it is can make easier for us to register their name and to receive their payment by online only. And our customer will very happy when they're booking early and they come to our place. We have provide everything that they need earlier.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SYAZWAN and we'll continue to present about cloud computing. Cloud computing is the internet-based provision of computing services like server, storage, database, networking, software, and analytics to a large number of consumers. The internet is a global system that links millions of interconnected autonomous network like a business, government, agency, educational institution, and individual, while the cloud is an internet service that provide computing needs to computer user. The internet can connect surround smart device to the network to share and analyze data for decision making, while the cloud provide a host service over the internet. And how internet and cloud are connected. Well, since most cloud uh, service can be accessed by using internet network, so that's why it depends on the existence of the internet itself. When anything is state to be in the cloud, is referred to the fact that it is kept on internet server. To understand how the cloud works, it's divided into the two portions, which is the front end and the back end. Which is the front end is to accessing the cloud system consists of few sections include the network, and backhand is referred to the cloud itself. So that's why they link each other through the internet.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Puteri ATHIRAH BALQIS binti OTHMAN and I am from class RAS 256-2B. I will explain about the question for number 4 and 6. For number 4, the usual cloud services available to the public are Amazon Web Services AWS and Google Cloud Platform GCP. AWS provides both storage and computation services, including the simple storage service and Glacier. Meanwhile, GCP provides storage and compute services by Google Computation Engine. Users can also use cloud storage services such as a Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, Apple's Cloud, Amazon Cloud Drive, and Box. Services offered by cloud storage providers allow the users to synchronize files by placing a folder on the user's computer with contents that can be synchronized across multiple devices. Second, compose documents by offering integrated web tools for editing and storing documents in the cloud, such as OneDrive and Google Drive. Third, backup files by keeping files in the cloud is a convenient way to back them up in case the user's computer's hard drive fails or the mobile device is lost, stolen, or destroyed. Fourth, streaming music by listening to music and watching movies can be accessed even without the internet if they are stored offline. Many users also save their media files on the cloud to avoid filling up their mobile devices' limited internal storage. For example, Google Play offered cloud-based music streaming to Android, iOS, and other devices. Fifth, post image, which through apps for uploading images captured by a smartphone or tablet to the cloud are available on photo sharing sites and online social networks.
Hi, I'm Intan FAIZANI. I would like to explain about cloud computing. Cloud computing can be categorized into three general types such as public cloud, private clouds, and hybrid cloud. Public cloud can be defined as cloud migration and storage services provided by third-party cloud vendors over the internet. Public cloud is most well known for individuals and enterprises due to its inexpensiveness, which means users no need to purchase hardware and software. There are a few advantages of using public cloud, such as service provider provides the maintenance, high reliability, and scalability. However, disadvantages of public clouds are less secure and connection issue.
Next is private clouds. Private cloud is cloud computing that is dedicated for use by a single organization, which means the users are not sharing cloud computing resources with any other organizations. Private cloud is not like a public clouds because the data center of private clouds and or network uses the cloud computing technologies. The advantages of private clouds are highly secure, flexible, and computed ownerships, control, and maintenance all of data in business operations. However, private cloud is more expensive. Lastly is hybrid clouds. Hybrid cloud is a cloud computing environment that mix of on-premises, private clouds, and third-party public cloud services with orchestration among the various platforms. There are two types of clouds are joined together into a single and flexible infrastructure in hybrid clouds models. Advantages of hybrid clouds are flexibility, scalable, and secure. In conclusion, there is no clear winner in these clouds. It is because the choice between public clouds, private clouds, and hybrid cloud solutions depends on the variety of factors such as
cost, flexibility, and scalability.
The question for number 6 is the application of cloud computing in sustainable marine fields. Cloud computing is required to improve mariners and researchers' general understanding of marine systems. A greater science will be required as well as more availability and improved access to ocean observation data. Ocean observation data is used for a variety of purposes, including assessing fish stocks and biodiversity, offshore engineering, hazard and disaster management, the tourism industry, and many other socio-economic activities at sea and along the coast. This led to the innovation of Blue Cloud Project, the Future of Seas and Ocean flagship initiative. The goal of Blue Cloud is to test a cyber platform that will connect blue data infrastructures. Researchers and scientists will be able to access multidisciplinary data from observation, in situ, and remote sensing, as well as data products and numerical model outputs due to this new inter-platform interface. For example, create unique 3D and 4D synergistic zooplankton and phytoplankton products, improve data management and analytic capabilities for fisheries, a stable and a repeatable setting for monitoring aquaculture in marine cages and coastal regions.
Using cloud-based platform have its own advantages and disadvantages. The first benefit is cost saving. It is because it offers a huge amount of storage space for any file or data at a low cost. The next one is mobility, which is allow user to access data from any device anywhere and at any time over the internet. And the last one is disaster recovery, which is indicate that if any data leaks or is lost, it may be restored because cloud-based are built to withstand unknown disaster. For the disadvantages, the data or file can only be accessed if the device is linked to the internet. Therefore, it is not completely accessible. The second one is it easy to lose the data even through the cloud service apply strong security measure. This may not guarantee that the data will be protected. And the last one is because the cloud operates online, it is vulnerable in case of an attack. This also can be resolved in assault on data or file.
Lastly, we look at the challenges of using cloud computing. First challenges of using cloud computing is data security and privacy. Data security is a major concern when switching to cloud computing. Moreover, using cloud computing requires sending and receiving large amounts of data at high speeds. Users of cloud computing also face security issues such as malware infections, data breaches, and identity theft. Second is cost management. If the users degrade the application performance or overage in the usage, it will add up to the overall cost. Moreover, unused resources are also the main reason why the costs go up. Third is performance challenges. Performance is an important factor in cloud-based solutions. Cloud computing performance is not satisfactory, such as a little latency while loading apps or a web page. Fourth is lack of knowledge and expertise. Due to high demand and increasing workload on cloud technologies, cloud often ends up being highly tedious tasks and the management become difficult. Fifth challenges of using cloud computing is interoperability and flexibility. Interoperability and flexibility occur when an organization wants to move from one cloud provider to another cloud-based solutions. However, there are any issues that encountered when changing cloud solution like managing data movement. Sixth is dealing with multi-cloud environments. These days, a lot of companies and enterprises not only use a single cloud, but they have to invest in multiple public clouds, multiple private clouds, or combination of both, which known as hybrid clouds. Lastly is compliance. Compliance of data is also one of the challenges faced by cloud computing in 2022. When compliance occurs, it will lead to problems in cloud storage and backup services. In conclusion, even cloud computing faces many challenges, but cloud computing still used for enabling global access to multiple of resources. Fifth challenges of using cloud computing is interoperability and flexibility. Interoperability and flexibility occur when an organization wants to move from one cloud provider to another cloud-based solutions. However, there are any issues that encountered when changing cloud solution like managing data movement. Sixth is dealing with multi-cloud environments. These days, a lot of companies and enterprises not only use a single cloud, but they have to invest in multiple public clouds, multiple private clouds, or combination of both, which known as hybrid clouds. Lastly is compliance. Compliance of data is also one of the challenges faced by cloud computing in 2022. When compliance occurs, it will lead to problems in cloud storage and backup services. In conclusion, even cloud computing faces many challenges, but cloud computing still used for enabling global access to multiple of resources. That's all from us. Thank you for watching and listening.